automatic computational test somewhat our test.
Yes. Recurrent learning is the 100 and something online only.
Okay.
Of course, all of these multi-and sample tests are real now because it's only required to use differences of the potential, but other than that, other than the time, I don't see many problems. Better than practical methods.
Yep.
Also regarding this previous time, math calculation, there is some problem. That's why I want to test manually. Just
Yeah,
make sure that you want to do the correct.
Yeah,
So
I do
something
that.
is wrong for some reason.
I do that as well.
Yes, I'm going to try to do that. I'm creating a user with two reference, which is in this case $2.